Hey guys, today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, and I finally found those things that I've been looking for at Dollar Tree for the fall that was on my wish list items.
All those days trying to find a place where you won't make them just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscriber button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. With that being said, let's just jump into today's video, which is a Dollar Tree haul. And like I told you guys in my intro, guys, I'm so excited because I finally found all those fall things that I was looking for that was on my wish list. I finally found them in my store, and they actually stocked up with them that morning. So I was super excited that I actually went to the store and at that time and was able to get them, because that store in particular, whenever there's stuff in there, it goes fast. So the fact that they put it that morning and I was able to go later on that morning and get it was amazing. So I'm gonna start the Dollar Tree haul with the thing that I was most excited to find and the thing that I was looking for the most, which was these fabric pumpkins that everybody's been hauling and everybody loves. And oh my god, they come in so many beautiful colors, but I've noticed that this color right here has to be the most popular one, because even though my store put all the stuff out that morning, there was only one left of this blue pumpkin. Now you guys saw me haul the ceramic pumpkins in my last Dollar Tree haul that also came with this blue color. And even though this color doesn't go in my like kind of decor, I definitely wanted to incorporate it into my decor this year because it's so beautiful and so elegant, and it looks way more than $1, and I couldn't pass this up because you guys know it'd be more in other stores. So again, if you like this blue one and you see it in your store, definitely pick this one up because this one goes fast. It seems like this is the color choice for everybody this year. They also, of course, had the orange ones, which I think is a beautiful bright orange. The only one I didn't pick up was a green color one, and I didn't pick it up because the green on that fabric was like a kind of like a Christmas green. It wasn't like that fall green of the other green pumpkins that you see at Dollar Tree. So to me, it just looked too much more like Christmas. So I didn't pick that one up. But I definitely picked up this orange one. And then another one that I picked up, or the other last two colors that I picked up, was this one is kind of like a goldy beige, and this one is like a brown. You can see that I put them in my little crate that I shared with you guys. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll put a card up above and also a link in the description box below. But I made this crate out of Dollar Tree items for around $5. I love this crate. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these pumpkins in it, but I kind of wanted to show you how it looks in case you guys want to make it and add these pumpkins to it. But you can see that the pumpkins already look cute in them. But I just love these pumpkins. These were the main things that I was looking for, and I was so happy that I was able to find them. But I'm still on the lookout for one more blue because you guys know me, I gotta have a set of everything. I can't have like an odd number. So, but definitely, if you guys see these, take them, get them as soon as you see them, because if you want them, because this is like the most popular item and it's going fast. Oh, I forgot to share, there is one more color. They also have a white pumpkin in this fabric too, which is pretty as well. And so all the colors that you get is the white, the beige gold, the brown, that green that I didn't get, the orange, and definitely the blue. So this, I love this. You know I love my white pumpkin, so I definitely had to pick up this one. And I also have two of those. The other one is right there. And some other pumpkins that I found this year that went fast last year were these white pumpkins. They have also like pears and like cornucopias, different things in the little bin that this comes in. But I definitely wanted to pick up 4 of these white pumpkins because they went so fast last year I wasn't able to pick them up. So I love these. These are just a regular kind of like a foam type of feel to them. It doesn't have any fabric. So if you wanted to DIY these and change the color up, maybe add like the little light greens or the neutral colors or like that farmhouse colors, you can, because this is a really good canvas to be able to do any type of DIYs to them. But I picked up 4 of those. And another pumpkin set that I picked up that I was super happy to find this year was these white clip pumpkins. And you can see that the little hot glue is still all over them. These went so fast last year I wasn't able to pick them up. So when I saw them this year, I definitely picked up 2 packs. I was debating if I should pick up more, but then I didn't think I would need more, but now I thought of a DIY, so I might go back for another pack. I was excited to find them because everybody had hauled them last year and used them in DIYs, but when I saw them closely this year, I kind of don't like the little specks that they have on them. It's kind of like a reddish orange speck. So I'm probably going to DIY these and change them up, so stay tuned to see how I'm going to do that, because I just don't like the confetti look and feel that they have on them, but I do like the fact that they're already plain white, so they're easy to make over. The orange ones are kind of harder because you got to, you know, put a lot of paint over it to cover the orange, but when they're white like that, it's easier to DIY. Another thing that I found that was new, that I knew this year, that I got so excited to find, and I stocked up on them, and if you're a crafter or DIYer, I suggest you do, is all the wood items that they have. They have so many different plain wood items. So this one, and it looks like it's kind of like a napkin holder, or I thought it was a napkin holder, but actually it could be something else. It's too thin to be a napkin holder. It could be any type of holder, but I saw this and I thought it was such a great like crafting to get and to make over. I don't know exactly how I'm going to make it over, but when I originally saw it, I saw it was just like this, but they also have this side which is plain, so you can do either or how you want to do it, or you can do two different sides and switch it up. I think a great idea is if you like Halloween and you like fall, you can do one side a Halloween side and then the other side can be for like Thanksgiving and fall. That would be a creative idea. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do to store it, but I know this is definitely going to be a decor item I had to pick up. They had other ones like owls, turkeys, a leaf, but I didn't pick those up because I like to decorate with pumpkins, but I did take pictures so you guys can see it, and they're definitely good to pick them up because this plain wood, if you're a DIYer or a crafter, having this plain wood is so much easier to make over than the stuff that Dollar Tree has that already has writing on it, because then you gotta do so much stuff to it to get the paint to stick to it. But the fact that they're coming up with this raw wood of all these different fall items is amazing. So some other things that they had that was the raw wood was these color your own ornaments. And I got the pumpkins. I got two sets of the pumpkins and the leaves. They also had turkeys and owls as well, but again, I don't use those shapes. But I definitely picked up 2 packs of these, and they come 5 in each bag. And I don't know yet what I'm going to do with them, but definitely, like I said, if you're a DIY or crafter, this is something you cannot pass up for $1, because you can do so many things with this, and I love the size of this pumpkin and these leaves. So I definitely picked up 2 packs of each because I know that they'll come into use somehow. I don't know yet, but you can't pass this up if you're a DIY or a crafter. Another thing that they had was they had these DIY wood stickers, which are amazing as well. I picked up 2 of these. This one came with the leaves and the pumpkins, and on the back it has like the little sticky dots that you just peel the stick off and you can use it. This can be used in so many ways as well. Again, I don't have an idea for it, but you can use it so, I don't know yet what I'm going to use it for, but you can't pass this up. Another thing that they had that I took a picture for you guys is they had bling wrap. They had fall bling wrap that I don't need it for anything, and I don't plan to bling anything out, so I didn't pick it up. But they had some bling wrap. They had leaves on it, pumpkins on it with different colors, and I know that you guys can do so many amazing DIYs with that. So I took pictures of it so you guys can definitely see it. And if you do make something out of that, let me know down below what you do make out of that. Tag me on Instagram, because I would love to see what people make out of that fall type of diamond wrap. So sticking with the plain wood stuff, they also had huge plain wood cutouts as well. I purchased just one. I got the pumpkin. They also had a huge leaf. They also had a turkey, and I believe it was an owl. There was 4 different designs. I didn't know, like, I don't use the other ones like I said, but I picked up this pumpkin. Again, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but the fact that this unfinished wood of this pumpkin shape, and like I said, the paint stick better to this unfinished wood, I definitely had to pick it up. I think I kind of might do something with our family name in it and kind of be like a welcome sign. But I don't know yet, but you just, like I said, you can't pass this up because anywhere else it would be more. So definitely, they got so many great plain wood cutouts of fall items, and I'm excited to see, like, since they're bringing so many things for fall like that, I'm excited to see what they bring for Christmas. So definitely pick those up. If you feel like you're gonna if you feel like you're gonna DIY something later, definitely grab them now. You guys know they will go fast in Dollar Tree. Another thing I picked up was these metal words. You guys have seen me do them in so many of my DIYs. I'll put a link down below of all the videos that I've used these in, because I know some people were asking how to use these. So I'll put all the videos in the info box. I'll put all the videos of the DIYs that I made with these metal words. But even though I have some and I've used it before, I definitely picked up another pack because I always come up with ideas all year round. You can use this not only for the fall time, you can use this to decorate anything in your house all year round. So I definitely had to pick up another pack before they were all gone. And I know I'm rambling, guys, and I'm like all over the place and just like repeating my words. It's just, I'm so excited for this haul because I was finally able to find the things that I've been looking for. So another thing that I found that was like wood decor, but it was actually, it had words on it, was another thing that I was on the lookout for. I've seen it on their website and I was hoping they would bring it to our store. And it's these farm fresh signs. And they had another one as well, but I didn't like it. Anything with the sunflower, they've been bringing a lot of sunflower stuff for fall, and I just don't feel like that's fall-like to me. So I didn't get that one, but I definitely wanted the apple one, and I definitely wanted the pumpkin one. This is so cute, and I love the fact that it's black and white, and it has like the fall colors to it, because Kind of if you're going with the farmhouse, that Ray Dunn feel, everything is kind of like black and white. So you could definitely use this in your home and in the kitchen and definitely in the pantry. But what I plan to use it for is for my kiddos. I told you guys I'm a teacher's aide. And in their housekeeping section for the fall time, I kind of want to make a pumpkin patch during September. And I kind of want to, I want to make an apple orchard for them, like an apple picking orchard station for September. And I want to make a pumpkin patch for October for them. And I figured that these signs would be so cute in the little housekeeping station when I do the little dramatic play with them. But again, like I said, you guys can use this in your home as well, in your pantry. I think they're really good. And I have to say that if you're doing DIYs and you can't find the plain wood pump, like the plain pumpkins that I just showed you, the plain wood pumpkin, and you want to do DIYs, but you see this one, this would work good as well, because this side picks up paint very well too. I've done a lot of DIYs where I use this side of these, what do they call them? They just call them Decor. Where I've used this side of the Decor pieces and I've done DIYs on them. This side, the paint sticks very well. And I have to say that this is actually thicker material than the wood one that I just shared with you guys, of the pumpkin of the natural unfinished wood. It's actually a thinner material wood. This is actually thicker, like particle board. So either you can use either or, it depends on your preference. But this is also a choice if you guys can't find the plain wood pumpkin and you still want to do kind of like a pumpkin DIY. This would work as well, just use the back. Another thing I found for crafting, I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for, is they have these burlap leaves. And I picked up the one that was kind of like this beige color and the orange color. They also had a red color, but like I told you guys before, I don't like the maroon color for fall for me. I just don't like that color. And then they come with like these little twisty ties in the back. Again, I don't know what I'm going to use it for. If you guys have any ideas, leave them in the comments down below. I picked up 2 packs of each because I just know that they'll make great DIYs and I love the size of them. But if you guys have ideas, let me know down below what you guys would do with these so that I can get ideas. Sticking with kind of the wood signs, I also have this sign that you guys see. They have a lot of different square signs that came out with. And I picked this one up because I thought I would like it, but I'm not quite sure if I want to keep it. So I don't know, I might return it, but I also like the square side of it. So what you guys can do also with these, if you don't want them actually for a sign, the fact that it's square, you can do so many DIYs with this square sign. So if you don't like the writing in the front, but you guys know that you're probably gonna make a DIY type of thing and you need a square, this will be perfect for DIYs. And I think I might use it for an upcoming DIY, I'm not sure. But I did like the designs of them, and they have so many more designs at Dollar Tree. You definitely need to go check out any type of color scheme you're going with. They have so many different wood signs, decors. Another one I picked up, and I'm not going to use it for like how it is. It's a hanging sign, and it says family, friends, and football. And I thought this was so cute, but what I plan to do is I'm actually going to separate them, and I'm going to save the football for whenever I do kind of like a decor thing in a boys' room, and then I'm going to use these pumpkins for something else. So if you don't like this hanging sign, you could definitely take it apart and use the pumpkins for a fall decor. And if you have boys, you could definitely use this in a boys' room for some type of decor in their room or a DIY coming up. And then that's also why I bought this family and friends sign, because again, it had like a football on it, and then I'm going to take apart the family and friends and use it for another DIY, and then use the football for a decor piece and kind of like a boys' room. And then you could, anytime if you're making something and you guys need some type of long piece of wood, definitely pick these up, because these stakes would be great for DIYs as well. So don't just look at these things and think that, oh, they're just like signs in the yard. You could definitely take them apart and do so many different DIYs with just the pieces of this. Another one that I picked that I'm actually going to use it for how it is the welcome to our patch. And I'm going to be using that in the pumpkin patch that I'm going to create for the kiddos at the school. So I think that they will like that, and I'm going to put it in the little section wherever I create their pumpkin patch in the little housekeeping station. Another outdoor sign that I found that I liked was actually this metal sign that says Harvest Blessings. And I picked it up because you guys know, if you saw my Christmas stuff last year, I love the Christmas time with those little red trucks. So I definitely had to pick it up. They also had one that was like a wagon with the pumpkins in it. And they also had one with a bicycle with the pumpkins in it, but that's not my style, so I didn't pick it up. But it's really cute, and I plan to not use this as a stand. I'm going to take this apart and use this in a DIY somehow, because I like how this is. I just don't like it as a stake. And the last thing I picked up was they have so many different trays and food, like different food trays that you can do for entertaining. But I was super excited to find this one because the size of the ones that they have now are huge, guys. Like, I have to move over so you guys can see this. These actual platters are bigger than the ones that they had in the past. Like, they are so huge. And for some reason, I like the design of this one because you know, you guys know I don't like the red, but the fact that it had like this kind of like light blue and like all the colors that are in it around it are kind of like all the different pumpkins that I have. So I figured if you guys are buying all the different color pumpkins in Dollar Tree right now and you want to incorporate them all together, use this as a sign, put this on a little, like the little picture frame stands, and then it would incorporate all your colors together, because this will be the main piece, and then all the colors of the pumpkins will tie into that. So that's why I picked this up, because this is going to be like my staple piece of decorating, and then all the colors are going to match to go with it. But this is also a huge platter that you guys can use this for so many DIYs. You can glam this up, you can farmhouse this up, you can do anything with this. And the size of it is, I mean, I just think that it's just a great size for $1. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul, guys, and I am like sweating here because I have all these lights going on me, so I'm like trying to rush through it. And like I told you guys, I was super excited to find all the things that I found, so that's probably why I was talking fast and I was going everywhere. So I apologize for this Dollar Tree haul, because I know it was probably like all over the place, but I was super excited, and it's kind of really hot today here in Texas. But that is all the things that I found. Let me know today, the question that I want to leave you guys with is, let me know, what is that wish list item that you guys finally found. I told you guys to let me know that one that you guys have been looking for and that you guys haven't been able to find. But tell me that fall item that you guys are looking for and that you actually finally found it, and what do you plan to do with it? Do you just plan to use it as a decor piece on its own, or do you plan to DIY it and, you know, craft it up and make it your style? Let me know down below. What is that thing that you've been looking for? How are you going to use it? And yeah, and if you have pictures, again, like I always say, if you have pictures, that's even better. And tag me on Instagram, because I love seeing you guys' creations, especially when you guys recreate the things that I made. And stay tuned, because I have a DIY coming up that you guys are going to love, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. Okay, and that's it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.